Got that good shit.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I tell you how to make a moonlighter split spectrum effect. Okay, so now but first we'll go to layer, and so now then choose the media. Okay, so now choose the moon. One. Okay, so now this is blending, multiply or screen. Screen. This is screen. Screen adjust the moon for now. Okay, so now hidden this adjust one before get out. Okay, so this is FX. Okay, so now not completed. Okay, so now completed. Okay, well first before there's cropping. As a shape, it is circles, and I want just want to believe. Okay, so now get it again. Okay, so now the first time before you can sit. Okay, all right, okay, but just wanna say okay. Okay, then we're done. So now go to the effects, so now split spectrum, and then we'll complete it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Good shit.